Been doing a DIY home renovation since fall of 2021, and the exterior and front porch have gone through a lot of transition over the years. We started by removing the original windows, reframed them, and installed new ones. I painted the windows black, and it was really controversial at the time on TikTok. Everyone thought it was a really bad idea, but it's been 2 years and they look fine. We repaired a lot of the damage that was done to the cladding on the side, changed out all of the rotted porch posts, replaced the front door, added some light fixtures, and then gave this porch a much needed fresh coat of paint. The right half of the porch wasn't functional. It was just a giant mulch pit, so we took it apart and just recently poured a new concrete slab. This way we'll have more functional space. We cleared out all of the original stepping stones, rocks, and mulch from the front yard, added new soil to give us a fresh start to re-landscape, poured a new walking path. Then we decided to build a picket fence and painted that white. We ripped off our old garage door that was rotting and didn't even work and replaced that with a new one. We added a walking path to the side yard, built a flower bed right next to it, and just got some plants. We planted a clover lawn in the front yard, which is still growing, but this is what it looks like now. There's still a lot more to do, but we've come a long way. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more home renovation and DIY.